Hey guys, Christian Singh here back from CNH Technology again for another quick informative video. This one deals with my truck specifically here. One of my subscribers asked me a question about one of my previous videos. I think they might have seen it on one of my other channels online, and it was regarding the actual rear differential cover on the truck I have here. I have a 2008 Ford F-250 Super Duty XL bare bones truck. And I have the finned aluminum differential, I'm going to call it differential cover on here, and he was asking about it, if I recommend it or not and stuff like that. And I do recommend these things because I installed this thing back in early 2009, because this truck's in 08 and I got it in early 2009. And these are good upgrades if you're thinking about getting an upgrade for your rear differential, because these things originally came with the 08 to 2010 6.4 liter diesel truck out there, and they were designed mainly to cool the differential down better than what the factory steel differential cover had on here. So if you're in the market for getting a upgraded differential cover, if you're going to be pulling a lot of heavy loads and stuff like that, it also improves the appearance, as I say over here, because it looks cooler than the regular stamped black painted cover on here as well too. So if you're in the market for one of these things, you can buy them I think a diesel manner, because that's where I got mine originally. I think back in early 09, I think it was only like 50 bucks, I think, but I think they have gone up in price. So I'll put a link at the bottom of the page if you're interested in possibly picking up one of these things. Let me get a zoom in, let me get a better picture here for you guys. Here's a whole cover right there for that. That's the if you get this cover, that's good for any vehicle that has the 10.25 or the 10.50 differential axle in your truck or your for that. So this is only good for the F-250 and F-350 single rear wheel truck out there for that. So if anybody has any comments, questions, whatnot, as usual, just drop me a message here and I'll try to get back to you probably within 24 or 48 hours after you post some kind of a basic question about what I was talking about here, guys. So I'll see you guys and have a nice day.